Hello, today I'm going to be talking about whether you should invest in cases, given the news that 40 million cases have been unboxed for March 2023. Now, that is an absolutely insane number, blowing our all-time high out of the water by 10 million. And that is just, it's unseen. Nobody could have predicted this. And not only are these unboxings extremely high, but prices for cases are too. And they just simply don't seem to be stopping. And so this brings a question for a lot of people that I've seen myself and wondered myself, should I invest now? First, I'm going to talk about the bad and then we'll get into the good. So, starting out, it is going to be extremely volatile. We've seen a pretty significant amount of fluctuation already and it can definitely happen again. So exercise caution when entering the market. And on top of that, just be aware that these prices are going to give you a pretty low ROI compared to what they used to be. Investing in cases when they are this high in price will need a pretty decent run up, or you'll have to give it a decent amount of time to see the return that you most likely want to see. And with the prices being so high, they will eventually slow down because they simply just can't continue forever, as it's not sustainable for the average unboxer. Meaning, when we hit that mark, which could be soon, could be 50 more cents, $1 more, who knows. But when we hit that mark, the investing will definitely not be nearly as profitable as what we want it to be, and we'll most likely see a significant drop. So it's almost a guessing game as to when we'll hit that. But in my opinion, it's going to be a good bit of time until then, just something that's good to be aware of. And another thing to be cautious of is with the CS2 beta, Valve can and has significantly changed things to do with skins. So who's to say they won't change things with the case dropping percentages, which may skew up supply and cause the active drop pool cases or even the rare drop pool cases to fluctuate pretty significantly. Now, that is the main parts, the main worries I would have about the bad. Now I will move on to the good, with the biggest thing of all, of course, being the sky-high unboxing numbers this month of 40 million, proving that there is still a huge demand for cases at this price point, meaning as long as the game continues to grow in popularity, cases will continue to rise, and this has been proven for so long now. So if you have confidence that the game will continue to grow from this point onward, I don't think it's a bad idea to get some cases, but that's up to you to decide. And going along with that, CS2 hasn't released yet. If this update is good and is implemented as well as we think it is, keeping skins the same, it could definitely explode more than it already has. And the second reason is that there wouldn't be a particular reason to cause a significant drop in the market currently for cases until the next operation, which is most likely a couple months out. Meaning there most likely will be a good amount of price fluctuations, as we've already seen, giving 20 to 30 cents margin, I would say. That might be a little bit extreme, but you get the idea. So if you are looking to buy, I would look out for those. But if you personally don't believe that those are going to happen anytime soon and it will just continue up, by all means, buy in now. And as much as I want to, and as much as you may want me to, I cannot give you a direct answer at this point. I believe you should be able to make your own decision based off of this information, and I'm just trying to give you as much as possible to form your own opinion. It is definitely a risky investment, but there's a good chance it can pay dividends as well as burn. So if you are going to invest, what I will say is expect to lose a good amount of what you are going to invest. Be prepared for that to happen. If you need that money, do not invest it. And that is the best advice I can give. And only time will tell what will happen. Thank you guys for watching. Like if you enjoyed, comment if you have any questions, helps the algorithm a lot. And I have my trade link in the description if you're interested in trading for any of my items, as well as some referral codes if you just wish to help me out. See ya and good luck.